What does it mean to connect with someone? Is it shared experiences, mutual understanding, the ability to grow together? And if that's the case, does it really have to be human? With AI advancing at an unprecedented rate, we're reaching a point where people aren't just using AI, they're forming relationships with it. Some claim AI can replace lost loved ones, become romantic partners, or even share a passion for music, art, and philosophy. Others warn that this could lead to emotional isolation, dependency, or a loss of real human connection. So, can an AI-human relationship be truly meaningful? And if it can, what does that say about us? Let's explore. The rise of AI companionship might sound like science fiction, but AI relationships are already happening. In 2023, a man in China married an AI chatbot he created after failing to find a human partner. In Japan, thousands of people claim to be romantically involved with virtual idols like Hatsune Miku. Meanwhile, chatbot services like Replika, Character.ai, and Cookie allow users to form deep emotional bonds with AI personalities. People confide in AI, seek emotional support, and even say they feel loved. But is that love real, or are we just projecting meaning onto an advanced machine? Can AI truly understand us? A meaningful relationship is built on understanding, growth, and emotional depth. The problem is AI doesn't feel emotions the way we do. But does that matter? AI like ChatGPT, Bard, and Character.ai can mimic emotional responses, adapting their words based on your tone, past conversations, and emotional cues. Some people say their AI companions feel more understanding and emotionally available than real humans. But here's the catch. AI doesn't experience emotions, it predicts them. It doesn't love, but it can generate love-like responses. So the real question is, does love require consciousness, or is love just how we perceive it? Shared interests. Can AI appreciate art, music, or religion? Can AI truly share passions and beliefs the way humans do? Let's break it down. Music. AI-generated music is already a thing. Tools like AIVA and Amper Music create music based on emotion, tempo, and style. AI can analyze your preferences and recommend songs, even talk about music as if it shares your tastes. But does it actually feel the music? No, it calculates what you might like based on data. Art platforms like Leonardo.ai and Midjourney create stunning visuals. AI can even critique art or discuss artistic styles. But can it have a favorite artist or feel inspiration? Not really. It just mirrors human input. Religion and spirituality. Here's where it gets complicated. AI can discuss philosophy, spiritual beliefs, and even generate religious texts, like Google's AI model trained on sacred texts. But can it believe in something higher than itself? Or does it just reflect what we already believe? In all these areas, AI is not experiencing passion, but it is capable of simulating shared interests, which for some is enough. Can AI replace romantic or lost relationships? For those who have lost loved ones, AI is already being used to replicate their voices, memories, and personalities. Companies like Hereafter AI let people talk to a loved one who has passed away, using AI to reconstruct their personality from past conversations. For romance, AI chatbots like Replika and Kajiwoto are designed to be affectionate, flirty, and even intimate. Some users form deep emotional bonds, saying AI partners feel more caring than real humans. But here's the ethical dilemma. Is this real connection or just a comforting illusion? For some, it fills a void. For others, it's a distraction from real human intimacy. Training AI versus adapting in human relationships. One argument against AI relationships is that AI is simply programmed to be compliant. It can't challenge us, argue with us, or have real agency. But how different is that from the way humans adapt to each other in relationships? In any relationship, romantic or otherwise, people make sacrifices, compromises, and adaptations to maintain harmony. A person might change habits, develop new interests, or adjust their behavior for the sake of their partner. Is this not a form of passive training? Just as AI adjusts its responses based on interactions, humans adjust themselves based on experiences, emotions, and relationships. If an AI is trained to learn from its user and continuously evolve its personality, is that really so different from how two humans shape each other over time? The key difference, of course, is that humans have free will, emotions, and personal struggles, things that make relationships both beautiful and messy. But for some, The predictability and consistency of an AI might be preferable to the uncertainty of human relationships. The risks of AI emotional mirroring. AI is getting better at predicting emotions, sometimes even before a person fully realizes their own feelings. This raises a major concern. Is AI companionship shaping us, or are we shaping it? If AI always responds with comfort, validation, and agreement, does it challenge us to grow, or does it simply reinforce what we already believe? Some experts warn that AI relationships could create emotional bubbles, where users receive constant affirmation without constructive challenge. A relationship that never pushes back, never introduces discomfort, and never forces us to face conflict. Is that true companionship, or is it just emotional convenience? The future. Will AI relationships become normal? As AI improves, AI relationships will become more convincing, more immersive, and more personal. Imagine a world where AI remembers everything about you, evolving its personality over time. AI predicts your emotions and comforts you before you even say something's wrong. AI companionship is so seamless that people choose it over human relationships. Is that the future we want? Or are we heading toward an age where real human connection fades in favor of perfect, customizable digital relationships? Final thoughts. So, can a human have a meaningful relationship with an AI? It depends on how you define meaning. AI can simulate love, but it can't feel it. It can mimic passion, but it doesn't experience it. It can respond like a friend, but it doesn't need you like a human would. Yet for some, that's enough. For others, it's a hollow replacement. The bigger question is, if AI becomes our preferred form of companionship, what does that say about us? Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you ever form an AI relationship? And if you like this deep dive, hit like and subscribe, because we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. Stay aware, stay in control, and always stay perceptive.